Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with a ready iPhone and a working connection. That's why I told you to plug in and join Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Choose Create Apple ID now. Enter your legal name and date of birth so Apple can manage age-related features. Make sure you use an email or phone you control. You will need to receive a verification code. This gets you into the account creation flow immediately. Now you fill in the account details: name, birth date, and the email you chose or an iCloud email created here. Create a strong password that meets Apple rules. This protects purchases and iCloud. You will also pick security questions and add a recovery phone or alternate email so you can regain access later. If asked, add a payment method. You can skip it, but adding one streamlines purchases. Make sure everything matches official. Finish by agreeing to Apple's terms, then verify your account with the code Apple sends to your email or phone. Enter it when prompted. After that, sign into iCloud and enable services like Find My iPhone. These protect your device and let you locate it if lost. Set Face ID or a passcode for security. If you don't get a code, resend it, check spam folders, verify your device clock is correct, or use the alternate recovery number you added. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.